baked eggplant with broccoli. So we will see how it is done. Now first thing what I am going to do is I am going to put a little oil in the pan on the cooker and the brinjals. I have cut into thin slices. Slightly soften it by adding a little bit of oil. Soften this a little. Slightly soften it and take this. I have a pan here. I don't know how many will go into that pan. So we will take a few and cook that and see. Cooking is an art. So we have to know all kinds of cooking. How we are doing, what we are doing. Right? The brinjals you can't cut and keep for a long time. So it has to be kept in water. And then you nicely rinse it and then use it. That's the main thing that we have to do. Now that I have done. Other things to go with that. Put a little oil. Onions. Garlic. Slightly stir fry. I have taken the broccoli. What I did was took the broccoli nicely, clean it up, and not only broccoli, any green vegetables like salad leaves or anything that you take, you have to always wash in salt water. That is understood. That should be washed in. First you wash it in salt water. Then only you use it. That is understood. Now I put the broccoli which I have already slightly boiled. Not enough oil. I'll put a little more oil. Salt, pepper, a bit of turmeric. Turmeric and all you don't generally use a lot. Then the chili powder. Chili pieces are nice. So we'll use the chili piece. I off the cooker because we don't need the cooker now. Just mixing all that together. Took a little currants. Wash it nicely. That also you mix it nicely. 1 egg yolk. Not the egg white, only the egg yolk. I have put pepper, salt and chili pieces. Okay. Broccoli is very healthy, good, so we can use that. After I put the currants, yolk, I didn't on the cooker. Now before I start rolling this, I need a little butter to the bowl. Now this is baking dishes, baking trays. So please remember, kept it. Take one by one. Put a little bit of the filling. Roll it nicely like a roll and place it. Pieces are little thick. Thick means I can't roll it. It should not be too thick. Go to the center of it. And these vegetables, we are not going to waste it. I took only 2 eggplants. But you can use 2, 3, the quantity you want, you can use it. Now we have done the eggplant rolls and kept it in the bowl. Now what I am going to do is I am going to use a cup of stock and we are going to use a tomato sauce, corn flour, mix everything and put it into the oven and bake it now. We'll see how it is. See, 1 cup of stock. Then we need sauce. About 2 tablespoons of sauce I need. Tomato sauce. If you can use tomato sauce, better. See, my hand is all right. Then I take corn flour, 2.5. Mix it nicely. I put 2.5, I put 3.5. Stock, chicken stock I used. Either you use chicken boiled water or chicken cube diluted, we can use. And since that is done, we use a little bit of salt and pepper because we don't need a lot, because in the stock itself we have all the seasoning. Now what I am going to do is I am going to pour it over this. Breadcrumb, toasted breadcrumb a little. And bake this. We are going to bake this now. That's all. Once you bake it, it's ready. So we will see how we are going to bake and take this. Maybe for about 25 minutes, we will bake this and take it. 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. Bake that and take it. Now we have done the baked eggplant, which is ready, and I hope you will enjoy this type of preparation. When and how we can serve this, that's the main thing. When we can serve is, we can serve it with the dinner buns or with rotis, you can serve. It's very nice to serve with rotis, any kind of roti, like whatever roti kind you can use it, or even with rice you can eat. What about noodles? You can eat. So it all depends on what type of preparation you like. Your palate, you have to see and do it. Now one more thing I have to do is, I have taken, see, this is nicely baked. Only thing I forgot in this, I have to tell you, pasta sauce. I have to use the pasta sauce also. With this, pasta sauce goes very well. Actually, this type of preparation, you need the pasta sauce also. That's my favorite. So you serve with pasta sauce. Decorate this. Garnish this the way we want. With a little parsley. Parsley is healthy, good to eat also. So we can have with parsley. This is ready. Now what did I say? You can serve this with whatever you want, with rotis or with noodles or whatever, rice, can be anything that you like, you can serve it. So see how it looks. This is the baked. 25 minutes I baked, and here it's nice and soft. Baked eggplants are ready. You can always serve with that. Food is very important, and our life, we need food. At least 2 times even you can have a proper meal. Breakfast is important. Lunch you have to eat. Not a full meal, but you have to eat. Of course, dinner you can have a very light meal. So please try out all these things and see how you live and how you like it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you will enjoy my preparation. Next week with another episode. I'll see you soon.